5:30, the U.S. attorneys who worked on Louisville's federal consent decree are gone, igniting questions of whether the reform agreement will ever happen.
Appears to be on life support for sure. It comes as the Trump administration orders the U.S. Department of Justice to pull out of those agreements altogether. Today, our Isaiah Kim Martinez pressed the Louisville mayor on what this means for the future.
Mostly what we're here to do today is to listen to you and to hear.
These two men, seen in 2022, Suraj Kumar and Paul Killebrew, then attorneys with the U.S. Department of Justice, are no longer part of a years-long federal case dedicated to reform Louisville and its police department.
It's time for a decision to be made at the federal level so that we can give this community clarity.
They joined 4 other DOJ attorneys with the Civil Rights Division leaving their roles, court records show, amid changes and pressure from the Trump administration.
That piece missing, there is a source of nervousness of, do we really have anybody up on the federal level interested?
It was at Bishop Dennis Lyons' weekly community discussion, the Bishop's Table, where we first saw DOJ attorneys like Kumar and Killebrew interact with Louisvillians in person. We saw Killebrew appear at multiple feedback sessions in the years to come as the federal reform agreement known as a consent decree was being negotiated. My email to him gone unanswered.
When the DOJ stopped showing up, then the command staff stopped showing up.
Last week, Donald Trump ordered his attorney general pull out of all consent decrees nationwide, including Louisville's within the next 2 months. Just days from that order, on Oaks Day, the very DOJ attorneys who helped craft Louisville's consent decree are out. I asked Mayor Craig Greenberg about what some see as the writing on the wall. As mayor of Louisville, do you agree with President Trump's decision to issue that order that is causing all this to happen?
No, I do not agree with that decision, but what I'm focused on is this community.
The mayor committing to hiring an independent monitor to oversee local reforms, no matter what happens next in federal court.
Here in Louisville, regardless of what this administration, regardless of what the U.S. Department of Justice decides, regardless of what federal judge decides, Louisville Metro Government and LMPD will continue the work of reform and improvement to LMPD.
The Trump-appointed federal judge still needs to decide whether to approve or reject the consent decree, but it appears he won't be getting any nudge to do so from the federal government. Isaiah Kim Martinez, WHAS 11, on your side.